Hey, so what is Helium 10 Xray? Now, Helium 10 Xray is Chrome extension for Amazon sellers that allows you to get data about specific products that you're looking at on Amazon. So if you want to see their sales amount, if you want to see how much money they're making per month, etc., Helium 10 Xray Chrome extension is going to help you with that. So in the description, I'm going to have a tutorial for you that shows you how to use the Chrome extension from A to Z. All the parts of it I'm going to show you in this video. My name is Vova Evans, seller on Amazon since 2016, so it's based on my own experiences as an Amazon seller. In the description, also, I will leave you the extension itself if you want to download it for free and kind of see what it's all about. Plus, Helium 10 free account, free trial with the best discounts for Helium 10. Now, again, the Chrome extension allows you to find products, allows you to validate products, and it's a really nice tool for beginners and advanced sellers to make the most out of their Amazon product research. So here on the screen, I'm going to leave you the full tutorial of the extension, shows you how to use it from A to Z. If you're a reader, I'm going to leave you a blog post in the description as well, but here's the video, and here is going to be like the free trial of Helium 10 and the best discounts. So good luck to you. Helium 10 Chrome extension, nice tool. Thank you.